Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today I want to show you this 2022 Bronco WildTrak Sasquatch edition. All right, let's run down the list of accessories to give you an idea of what you may want to do to your own Bronco. First off, the stance. Now the Wild Peak Sasquatch is sitting pretty good from the factory. All we did was add a 1-inch leveling kit to it to get rid of that factory lean. As far as wheels and tires, we went with a Fuel Rebel in an 18x9 and wrapped it in a Nitto Ridge Grappler 35, 12, 50, 18. All right, next up, let's take a look at lighting. Up front, we've got our triple 2-inch cubes that fit perfectly into the factory modular steel bumper. Coming back this way, we've got our ditch light mounts. We've got our 3-inch Osram mounted here. Fits perfectly, gives you a good line of sight with your LED. And while we're on the subject of electronics, let's take a look at our electronic running boards, our e-board steps, specifically for the Bronco. They're gonna drop down when you open the door and be a perfect height to step into. And when you shut the door, they are out of sight, out of mind, and covering up that nasty pinch weld. Coming around to the back, we've got this Bronco outfitted with our rear steel bumper. It's gonna have 2-inch pods on each side as well as slimline 6s, so you can really see when you're backing up without any problem whatsoever. This bumper complements the factory modular bumper or the Rough Country steel bumper perfectly. To accommodate the larger and better looking spare tire, we've got a couple of items. Starting off, we've got our spare tire relocation bracket. It's gonna get that spare up and out and make sure there's plenty of clearance and really strengthen that mount. Speaking of strengthening the mount, we've also got our tailgate reinforcement. It's gonna take that load and evenly displace it between the hinges and make sure that tailgate does not sag. And finally, we've got our license plate relocation bracket that mounts at the spare tire and even includes its own tag light to finish the whole system off. Now these are just a few of the accessories we offer for the new Bronco. Be sure to check us out at roughcountry.com and get your Bronco standing out from the herd. Until next time, I'm Gaston.